for the judges. Being the dance experts, if you will. Everybody is talented and everybody has an interesting story to tell. So what are the things that you look for in a dancer for them to qualify sa standard nyo or for them to move into the next round?
Sa case ko, hindi. Kasi marami po talaga magagaling, maraming magagandang kwento. Pero, minsan iba yung sa rehearsals nila. Ang labanan kasi, yung pagtungtong nila dito, mismo, sa World of Dance stage. May iba na ang galing sa rehearsal. Pero pagdating dito, iba na. Kasi minsan uunahan ng kaba, natay-tension sila, kasi hindi nila, gusto man nilang mabigay ng 100%. Binibigay nilang 100%. Kaso minsan sa kaba, sa takot, minsan doon nagkakaroon ng may konting pagkakamali, o hindi magagawa yung stunts. Hindi maiiwasan, pero ako lahat ng sumali dito, lahat sila magagaling. Pero ang laban na lang po ay yung pag nandito na talaga sa World of Dance stage.
I think para sa akin naman is siguro my standards. Siguro sa tingin ko medyo it got a little higher ng konti what I was searching for, and that's being honest. Kasi nga, sa tagal ko na rin nakakakita ng mga mananayaw dito sa Pilipinas, alam kong kaya natin. So alam kong kaya ng mga mananayaw dito na to take it to another level. Alam mo yun, to be that world-class performer that everybody is searching for in a competition. And this just happened so that this competition became a dance competition. So now, ang standards talaga namin dito is we're looking for the best. Kasi hindi biro rin ang mga mapapanalunan, mananalo sila ng 2 milyon. Plus, they get the chance to perform on stage sa States, sa World of Dance United States. So the opportunity is big. So of course, the standards needs to be higher. So, yun. Pero tama si Ange, sa lahat ng nagpakitang gilas dito at sumaya, all of them excel. Honestly, no one's weaker than the other. Everyone's just better and better and better. Alam mo yun. So, nakita namin the process from the qualifiers to the duels, to the cut, divisional finals, to today. Ang dami mong matututunan, pero ang dami mo ring insight kasi you set that standard. And when you watch World of Dance talaga, maniniwala ka na magagaling tayo ng kapito. And kaya natin makipaglaban kahit sa ibang bansa.
Very cute, Sir Gary.
Yeah. With regard to what is to be expected from the dancers, was that the question?
What that you look for?
What I look forward
in
to?
your standards.
Okay, what I look forward to is, kasi totoo yung sinabi mo, ang dami-daming drama ang pinagdadaanan nila. But I don't base their dances on the drama. I base how they express the drama through their dance. That's how it's always been with me from the very beginning. That's how it's been with us from the very, very start. What I look forward to talaga is to see them rise above their problems at home. To come on a stage like this and to perform with their entire mind, their entire heart, and their bodies. And I think that is when you get to see how excellent and how worthy of being champions each of them are. But I always compare them to like basketball. If I may, the Golden State Warriors, they are champions. They're defending champions. But once in a while, they lose a game. But it doesn't mean that they're no longer champions. They just lost for that night. And if they work harder, they will have another opportunity to rise above and prove that they're champions again. Yung kakalabanin nila, grabe din. It's just like that here. So yung mga natalo, everything that we've said in all the episodes, when we say, we hope to see you again, we know there's a future for you, we know na malayo ang mararating ninyo. Totoo yun. Hindi lang namin sinasabi yun. Naniniwala talaga kami na aabot sila doon if they keep it up. There will be good days, there will be bad days. Sa totoo lang, there were times when kulang yung mga dancers kasi nagkasakit yung isa, namatayan pa yung isa. But still, when they came out and performed, it was like there was no problem at all. Lalo kami nahirapan, pero mas gusto namin nahihirapan kami because they go beyond what we were looking forward
So I'm
to.
supposed to say, parang it's really a tough job for you.
It's the toughest job because when you're talking about singing competitions, it's individuals. When you're talking about dance, it's groups, it's duos, it's different. The dynamics is very, very different because the preparation for it is also very difficult. Very difficult. And actually it's very tiring. Sometimes the fatigue can make some of you go, ayaw mo na. Parang hindi ko na kaya. Pero wala kaming napansin, wala kaming nakita gano'n so far. And I am really thankful that they went beyond our expectations.
Tunay ko lang yung tanong ni Nikki. How do you exactly detach yourself when you tend to judge a particular dance group when you are so attached to the story, to the kind of genre na dance nila? How do you exactly detach yourself when you judge a particular group?
I think yung decision na yun kasi nasa sa iyo. You understand? So, of course, tao kami. So, if there's something na matatamaan kami sa puso namin, of course, that's a factor. Eh. Yung may attachment na kami kasi dun sa lahat ng mga contestants na sumali dito. We got to interview them, we got to know their stories, we got to meet their families, yung kung camaraderie and whatnot. So, yung attachment mo doon. But, in the end of the day, siguro yung mentality namin judges, it's still a competition. So there's other factors din na it clouds din the emotions. Kasi apart from the emotions, lalabas at lalabas lang yun. Pero pag nalabas mo na, then you become technical about the dance. Then pwede mo nang i-pinpoint kung ano yung sa tingin mo na pwede pang i-improve or hindi. So I think yung talagang hindi namin may iwasan that we get, moved by our performance. Pero, hindi namin din ina-allow na mag-dictate yung emotions namin para sa judging. And I think, lagi kami nag-uusap. We always talk and we communicate with each other because we all want to be in the same page. And especially, pangarap kasi ito ng mga tao. So, we really are trying our best to help them succeed and also para marating nila yung pangarap. So that's my
Okay, in my case, I think that ako talagang hindi ko ma-detach talaga ang sarili. Okay, I'll be honest. Ang ginagawa ko na lang, kino-compartmentalize ko kung ano yung role ko sa buhay nila bilang dancers. I will be there from beginning to end. Pag may nahulog dito, pag may umiyak, andito kami para sa kanila. And when they're dancing, before they dance, sometimes you'll hear us, sinisigaw namin yung mga pangalan nila, kaya na yan, gano'n. And that's still part of the being attached to them. Now, mind you, pag nag-umpisa na sila, syempre, iba minsan yung pinapakita nila from tears to fears. And that's great to see. But like the dancers, they compartmentalize. They cannot come up on stage and think of the drama and, they're dancing. Pero alam niyo naman, di ba, yun, pinag-iirap na yan sa buhay namin, di ba? No, they come on stage and they perform. Same with us. I think it's better to think na we compartmentalize. We say, okay, you're a judge now. After, kuya naman ako sa'yo. After that, sige, I'll be your dad. But it all has to do with being connected to them. Kasi once you detach yourself, you have to also, siguro, you can also become cold and become too technical when you actually see na, ang ganda-ganda na ng performance nila and you're scrutinizing every little thing, hindi naman talaga mapapansin. So you have to be very careful with that also. So that's how I think, and I think that's how it's been with the three of us also, with all of the dancers.
Your Majesty.
Ako naman po, hindi may iwasan yung magkakwento sila. So, ma-attach ka talaga. Tapos yung sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na, nakarelate ako. Minsan sa buhay mo, pwedeng na-experience mo din yung experience nila or nangyayari mismo sa'yo yun. So, nandun, na-attach ka po talaga. Pero, after nun, kailangan alisin yun. Kasi dun tayo sa performance nila, dun tayo sa sayaw nila. Sabi nga, state the obvious. Kasi, kung hindi namin sabihin, pero nakita sa camera, sabi niyo bali. Diba? Kaya, very honest naman kami sa kanila. At pag nakita niyo po yung mga contestants, pag sinasabihan namin, kung kunwari, nakita namin may nagbanggaan, may nagganyan. Kita mo sa mukha nila na alam nila na meron silang mali. Pero, ramdam din nila sa amin na nakaka-relate kami sa kwento nila. Pero, ibabalik namin na competition to. Babalik at babalik kami sa competition to.
So, gusto ko malaman from Luis and Pia, kinonsider ba yung dancing talents nyo nung kinuha kayo dito as host? Kasi yung tatlong judges talagang 3 of the best dancers talaga sa Pilipinas. So kayong dalawa ba may pa-audition ba ng pagsasayaw nyo muna or something like that?
Wala naman po. Audition lang ng kulitan. Wala. Sa amin, wala naman. And so far, they haven't asked me, like, in my case, they haven't asked me to dance yet. So we'll see.
Ako naman, I think, napanood kasi ng staff kahit pa paano tuwing Saturday and Sunday. Nang gabi sumasiyaw ako sa Golden Gagamba. So, yun siya, tsaka sa Club Mankind. So, medyo nagustuhan nila yung mga galaw ko. Na-impress naman sila. So, sabi nila, pwede naman yung ginawa. Kaya ako yung unang-unang kinuha. Tsaka ako na lang kinuha yung judges NCT.
Makikita yung sayaw mo yan dito, Luis. Makikita ba dito?
Actually, abangan nyo.
Actually, si Pia nagsayaw na ng budots. Di ba?
May mga tinuturo sa akin yung mga contestants backstage. So may mga natutunan din ako mga iba-iba. Pagka backstage ako kumikita.
Pero ito, Pia, talaga, do you really love to dance? Or masasabi mo ba dancer ka rin talaga?
Ako hindi po.
Hindi.
Ang opening lang po ako na binibigay.
Uy, nag-asap ka, ha?
Dati. We'll see. I guess with enough training, I mean like everyone naman, with enough training, enough time, enough effort put into it, maybe I can pull it off. But we'll see.
Kaya naalala ko, may grupo kami dati. Pero kaya magaling si Pia sumayaw.
Talaga?
Oo.
Anong grupo?
So may, kagrupo natin sila, Pauline, Helga Craft, Fresh Girls. Fresh pa rin kami ni Pia.
So, naging magka-grupo kayo before, man?
Kung dati may anime, merong binubuo. Pero, ayun na nga, hindi namin kayo ng pagka-fresh siguro. Nahagard kami lahat. So,
Pero paano nakalimutan na ni Pia yun, Sandali, Pia, anong reaction mo when you were chosen to be one of the hosts?
Ay, naku na, sobrang natuwa na rin naman ako. Natuwa naman ako talaga nung napili ako na maging co-host ng show na to because it's already well established in different parts of the world, especially in the US. And to be considered as one of the hosts is really a big deal for me. Malaking pasasalamat ko sa World of Dance for trusting me with this role. I know that, I'm kind of new to hosting. It's still something that I'm getting used to. But then they like my personality, and I work closely with the contestants, and so far I've been having a lot of fun here, learning a lot, and slowly getting better at hosting. So thank you sa World of Dance for giving me this opportunity.
Wow, so parang this is a new career for you this year, no? Parang nag-start yung hosting na ganyan.
At sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Wow. Okay.